Today on UXplain, I will show you how to build this smooth premium typewriter effect and along the way a rare component trick that will help you animate as many words as you want, all in one clean flow. So we are going to animate 3 words in this example, and let's start with the first letter, real. I will turn this text layer into a frame. Right click, frame selection. I will rename this frame to mask since it will act like a clipping mask. So now I will check this clip content property. So as you can see, when I reduce the frame's width, it hides the part of the text. That's exactly what we need. Now I will add a vertical line. Change its stroke to 3 pixels and change its color a little bit. Select both the line and the mask and wrap them into an auto layout frame. I will reduce the gap to 4 pixels and rename this new frame to letter. So now we have the line and the mask inside one frame. Next, I will turn this into a component and create a variant. So you can do this by right clicking and choose add variant, or just by clicking this little plus icon. Now here is the trick. Instead of messing with one at a time, we are going to use a smart method to animate all the variants effectively. In the first variant, reduce the mask width to reveal just the letter R. In the second, expand it to show RE, then REA, then REAL, and then reverse back to REA, RE and R. And finally, for the blinking cursor at the end, duplicate the single letter R variant and set the mask width to 0, so it will only show the vertical line. Now connect the variants in order from top to bottom, from R to REA to REA, and then the whole word real, and then reverse back just like this. Then select all of them and duplicate the interaction setting in bulk. So set the target to after delay and delay time to 200 ms, and the animation will be instant. Now duplicate the full set of your second word. In my case, it's rare, so I will copy this and paste it in all the components, right? Repeat the process, update the mask width to match each letter. And do the same for third word, which is rich. To loop everything, link the final blinking cursor variant of the first word to the first variant of the second word. But this time set the delay to 800 ms. It is just to add a pause, right? So repeat this between the second and the third word. Finally, connect the last variant back to the first word to create a continuous loop. Now go back to your design, delete the static real text and replace it with the component we just built. Wrap it in an auto layout with the rest of your content and hit play. So our animation is complete, but you will notice there is no pause after each word finishes typing. It feels like a bit fast and robotic. To fix that and give it a more realistic look, we will add a short delay after each word completes. So let's jump back into the prototype mode, select the interaction heads at the end of each word loop and increase the delay time to 600 milliseconds. Now play it, you will notice a subtle and natural pause between each word. Make it a big difference, right? So this is how you get a smooth, clean typewriter effect in Figma powered by Smart Components technique. So if you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more clean UI tricks from UXplain. Thanks for watching.